Hello everyone, I'm back down here at Log Still Distillery. The guys aren't working today, but they've got a lot done. Still got a lot of equipment down here, excavator, a grapple truck, high rail dump truck, and a little short tamper down there. Down here they're installing one of the crossovers. They almost got it finished. Still got to put another track over here by the thing, and then I think they're going to have a concert here tomorrow. I'm not sure who it is. Here's the other end of the crossover. Before I came to the museum, I worked for R.J. Corman, and I ran one of these trucks. I called it a grapple truck, or we called them apprentice truck. And this one's older than the one I drove, but I drove one like this too.